Do you want to search for mutual funds on Google Finance? Let me show you how to search or research for mutual funds on Google Finance. Once you're on Google Finance, guys, you can Google this by simple typing Google Finance, or you can go to Google as an example. And once you're at google.com, let me go ahead and show you real quick. Once you're at google.com, you can easily click the Google apps on the upper right hand side, scroll down in the list here and find finance, and you can open it. Now, in order to quickly find mutual funds that you can quickly research, you can simply go ahead and click on the search. And here you want to look for the mutual funds section. Once you click on that, you'll be able to find mutual funds appear. Now, if you are not able to find all mutual funds, you will want to know the name of those mutual funds so you can search for them, and you can also find other recommended mutual funds as well. So let me go ahead and show you a typical way how I would actually research it. So what I would do, I will go ahead and click the left hand side here, and I would go ahead and create like a watch list. So I'm going to click on the plus and type in, for example, MT or MF, that's for mutual funds. Let's say that's what I want to call my folder here or my watch list. And from here, I'm going to click on the add investment. Now I'm going to click on mutual, and let's say I want to start by looking at Vanguard. Let's say I click on that. So I add it here to my mutual fund watch list. Now if you scroll down, you will also find others that will be related to your watch list. So as you can see here on the right hand side, it says related to your watch list. So it's going to show you more mutual funds that is related to your watch list, and it's going to show you more and more and more, and so you can also scroll down and you can find. And here it shows you as well, discover more, and you can come here and you can just come through and you can find, right? If you don't know how you can actually search, you can just simply go ahead and click on the investment button here, guys, and you can click on mutual from here, and you can start by searching for mutual funds, or you can click on all and you can be able to search as well. But this is a good way how you can research, and the best way for you really to search is if you know the name of mutual funds. So you can just quickly Google. So I can say list of the best mutual funds, for example, 2025. And let's say I Google that and I find a list of the best mutual funds. So let's see what this is going to show me. Mutual funds. I'm going to go ahead and find a little list here. So which mutual fund is the best in 2025? So let's say it tells me something about this one here. As an example, I can go ahead and I can take this and I can copy, and I can go ahead and I can search. So here it shows, for example, the investment. I can go ahead and I can type this in the search. If it finds, it finds. If it doesn't find, it does not find, right? It's also going to be depending on your region as well. So as you can see, it finds something here, and I can actually go ahead and click on this, for example, this mutual fund. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and add that to my list. So the best way for you to find them is to know the name, you Google them, research them, and once you find it, you can use the search here to actually find them in Google Finance. But that's it. Once you go in and find it, you can compare them, you can open them, you can view the data, you can compare it to another by clicking compare here and type in another name. So for example, I wanted to type in this one here, Nifon. I can go ahead and I can copy this, I can compare it to. So let me scroll on and find the compare and just simple search for it. See, I find this one, and I'm going to compare these two as an example. At any point in time, you can always go ahead and let's say click on a particular mutual fund. For example, let's say I want to clear this right now, and I can, let's say, view all data or more details for mutual funds. You can scroll down here, you can find relevant information, good information about that particular mutual fund. You can check the historical data here as well, 1 month, 1 year, 5 years, and so forth, right? So you can easily go ahead and find details. But that's, guys, this is a quick beginner tutorial showing you how to research mutual funds on Google Finance.